Hi guys, welcome back on another video. So today I'm going to tell you how to connect any Bluetooth devices with the all new Echo Dot 4 Gen. So do watch this video till the end, and before starting this video make sure you hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions in this video, then you can comment down or text me on Instagram by following me at the Sadashwai Patil. So now let's start with this video. And after watching this video you can also go and watch the unboxing video of the Echo Dot 4 Gen. So now let's start with this video. So now for connecting the Echo Dot 4 Gen with your Bluetooth device, first of all you have to open the Amazon Alexa app, and then you have to click on the last but second option, devices, and then you have to select your groups, and then you have to click on the first option, and now you have to click on the second option, wireless Bluetooth devices, and you have to click on pair a new device. How to turn on the Bluetooth device.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Now on the screen you can see your Bluetooth device option. You have to click on that, and
The
it will be paired
Bluetooth device
shortly.
is connected successfully.
Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my speaker.
Now Alexa will speak through this Bluetooth device. So you can connect the home theater or anything. So now let's try playing any song. Alexa, play Faded song by Alan Walker.
Here's Faded by Alan Walker on Amazon.
So thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you guys.